Have you ever wondered how Google runs their billions of services, or how they deploy, scale, and manage them across thousands of machines? The answer is container orchestration. Today we're going to explore Kubernetes, an open source platform inspired by Google's Borg. I'll break down Kubernetes in a simple and easy to understand manner, so even if you're a beginner, you'll walk away with some new knowledge about this game-changing technology. Let's dive in. What does Borg actually do for Google? It's a system that efficiently manages and organizes the computing resources within the company's data centers. It automates tasks like allocating resources, scheduling jobs, and handling failures, ensuring smooth operation even on a massive scale. It's been battle tested for more than a decade in production. Its design has significantly influenced Kubernetes. Inspired by the success of Borg, Google created an open source version called Kubernetes. There are slight differences between Kubernetes and Borg, but we won't go into the details in this video. Kubernetes is a container orchestrator. Containers in this context are lightweight, standalone units that package application code, dependencies, and runtime settings. They guarantee consistent and efficient execution of applications across various environments by isolating the application from the underlying infrastructure. Before Kubernetes and containerization, managing production environments typically involved working with virtual machines and managing deployment processes. With virtual machines, multiple applications had to be run on the same physical server. Each VM would have to have its own operating system, and all the application's dependencies needed to be installed before deploying. Let's go over some of the key concepts. First up is nodes. In Kubernetes, nodes are an abstraction that represent the machines that host and run your containers. They can either be physical machines or virtual machines, and they have specific resource limitations, such as CPU, memory, and storage. Your cluster is made up of one or more nodes. Kubernetes has a limitation of 5,000 nodes per cluster. Next, we have pods. Pods are the smallest and most basic unit of an application that you can deploy and manage within a cluster. They're comprised of one or more containers that share the same local host network. Pods are ephemeral by nature, and if a pod fails or gets terminated, Kubernetes will automatically create a new pod to replace it, ensuring that the desired state of your application is always maintained. Kubernetes has a limitation of no more than 150,000 pods per cluster. The final concept is services. Services are a stable way to expose applications that are running in pods. They effectively abstract the networking. Out of the box, services ensure high availability, load balancing, and discoverability of your applications. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.